Hello. Does the fake or artificial knee, this one, feels like natural knee? This one. Very common question. Patient asks in the consulting room, will it feel the same? Number one and most important thing, you will not feel anything. The knee, once it's replaced, you will not feel the knee joint in your inside. Sometimes some patient can feel some click or clunk or something like that, which are normally due to the muscles, which will vanish. Now the most important thing is the position sense. More than the feel of the fake knee, it's the position sense. Now position sense is the sense of the joint, that is the imprint of the joint in your brain. Like what is the position of the knee? If it is bent, the brain will know that the knee is bent. That position sense in artificial knee takes some time to achieve. But as soon as the knee replacement is done, that process is started in the knee joint and in your brain. So by the time patient is discharged, everything is registered in the brain. So by the time the stitches are out and patient is walking, the knee replacement, that is a fake knee, replaced knee, will feel like normal knee. Current advanced implants, current inserts, ultra high molecular, high flex polys with these implants, the knee doesn't feel artificial at all. Some patients can have problem who are hypersensitive to metals such as titanium or gold or any other cobalt chrome. They can have problem of swelling and redness and tenderness for some time, but over a period of time all these things vanish and the fake or artificial knee will feel like normal knee in due course. Thank you.